Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change Facebook name to single name. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app in your phone, then here tap the three lines menu and scroll down and select Settings and Privacy and here tap Settings. And under the account, tap Name. Normally, Facebook requires both first and last name, but use single name, you'll need to change the region settings to Indonesia, where single names are allowed, or use a VPN set to Indonesia. After switching region, remove your last name and save changes, and enter your Facebook password to confirm. And that's it. Your Facebook profile will show your display name. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.